My name is Henry.
Okay.
Henry, I'm the manager engineering. What I so much like about the equipment is the fact that it has this provision that makes it possible for it to protect itself and the equipment that it serves. We had an experience 3 days after its installation, after commissioning. There was this lightning strike, thunder strike, maybe that way. And in fact, it came unannounced. Nobody expected that lightning strike of that magnitude that day. But all of a sudden, we saw every equipment go off, including the inverter itself. And I was afraid, because ordinarily such a thunder strike would have caused us a lot of damage. But surprisingly, after a few seconds, the inverter came on, by itself. And by the time we restarted the equipment, everything came on fine. Yes, before we started using it, actually, we were spending so much on diesel.
About how much?
And
how much
we were spending? We used to buy a charge token of like 250,000 naira, and it lasts for just 3 days. The 4th day it finishes, and then aside that, we still need to buy diesel because there are times power will go off. You need diesel, you need generator to run your operation. So we'll buy about power 250,000, we buy diesel 260,000, and this is just for a week. We'll buy the same way. But for the past 2 weeks that we've been using this equipment, I think we only bought once, and that about power that we bought since last week is still there. We've not exhausted it. Diesel that we bought since last week is still there. We've not exhausted it, because the only time we need to we need external power, like either public power supply, power or generator, is in the morning. We start 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and if there is no charge in the batteries to power the equipment at that time, we could start the generator if we don't have above power. If above power is there, we switch to above power, like for 2 hours, between 5:30 by 6:37. One, the day is getting brighter, the sun is coming out. Secondly, the batteries would have charged up to 60%, 65, 70. We will turn off external power, and we are back to inverter. Like now, we are solely on the inverter. This entire premises, we're on.
Let me see if I give them an idea of how big the place is. So you have an idea what you're talking about, right? So this is 100% on solar right now. So what would you tell someone who would want to go on solar? What advice would you give them?
I think it's good. And from the installation that we have here now, I mean, it's a huge leap from what we used to think solar was. There has been this improvement in technology in solar, because before, for instance, if you're going to have this kind of installation, you have a place where you have a pile of batteries. That doesn't happen anymore. You could see what we are using is just there.
Hold on, let me show them. Hold on, this is what he's talking about. Right there, that's it. That's the entire system.
Yes. So you can see that you don't have to look for space where you pack all the batteries and all that looking clumsy and all. Now, that is one. Two, it saves costs. As I explained earlier, you can see the difference. Mm-hmm. So I think.
Do you like the app?
Yes,
as you can see.
That is another thing I like so much about it. You could right now when I go home, I have my boys working in the night. Also, I could also monitor the installation right from the house. I would know the battery extent of charge, remaining, how it is discharging, everything is working. I think it's good, very good.
He's more than happy to have you on board. Welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Abba Magic FM.